In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a YouTube channel massively using YouTube ads, all right? And this is what I use for one of my clients to get her over 4,000 watch hours and thousands of views in just a few weeks, all right? And in this video, I'm going to show you every single thing about using YouTube ads to grow your YouTube channel massively, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to go to ask.google.com, as you can see on my screen, right? And then create your ad account, all right? So once you do that, you'll be taken to this particular screen, as you can see. I just tap on this new campaign right now, tap on new campaign. So right here, we want to select a campaign objective, all right? But remember, the goal of this campaign is not to get leads or to get sales, all right? The goal is to be able to get views for your YouTube channel and even subscribers and watch hours, all right? So to do that, you have to click on this, create a campaign without a guidance, all right? So just tap on it, as you can see, okay? And then it's going to ask us for the campaign type, all right? So just tap on video. So we'll tap on video. You want to choose this video views, as you can see. Tap on video views, very, very important. And then tap on this continue. So the first thing you have to do here is to enter your campaign name, all right? You just enter your campaign name right here, all right? You can enter any name, all right? But let me just leave it the way it is, okay? And then we can select the ad format. This is very, very important, guys, okay? You want to select just in-feed ad, because in-feed ad is the ad that shows on YouTube own feed, all right? So when people are on YouTube, they can simply see your ad on their own feed. So just deselect any other things right here except from the in-feed, okay? So now the only thing I selected is the in-feed ad format, which is so amazing, all right? So once we do that, we can scroll, as you can see, and then we want to enter a campaign budget, all right? So for your budget, you can start with at little at 2K per day, right? It does not really matter. So let's just tap on this campaign budget, tap on the daily budget, and then let's type 2,000 naira, okay, 2,000. And once I do that, you also have to tap on the network, all right? So we want to ensure that our ads only shows up on YouTube. So you have to remove this video partner on Google Display Network. So this ensures that your ad only shows up on YouTube, which is very, very crucial. So once you do that, you can also enter your location. So right now, I can just tap on Nigeria as my location, right? And then I can scroll, right? And I can go to my ad group section. So in the ad group, that's where you select your audiences, all right? And this is one of the most important things, because this is going to determine who are going to be seeing your video, all right? Who are going to be viewing your video, and you want the right people to view your video so they can even watch the video longer and even subscribe to your channel, all right? So what I love to use right here for a video view campaign is this particular interest and detailed demographics, all right? So right here, you can just search for anything that your video is all about, all right? So for example, my video is all about YouTube ads and Google ads. I can just search for YouTube ads or Google ads. So let me just search YouTube ads. So as you can see right here, we have YouTube ads, right? We also have Google advertising, okay? So that means anybody that is interested in YouTube ads or Google advertising will simply see my ad, which is so awesome, because that way I'm getting the right people to view my video, all right? So I can just tap on this Google advertising also, right? So I only want people that are interested in YouTube ads or Google ads to see my video, all right? So you can also search for any other thing right here. So it's all depending on what you do and what your video is all about. So I can also scroll. So we also have something right here called the content. So for the content, you want to leave this empty, right? We already have our audiences right here. So for the content audience, this is where you want to like show your ad to specific placements on YouTube or specific channels or videos. But right now, we do not want to do that, okay? So the next thing is for you to add your video ad. Remember, we are using this to grow your YouTube channel, all right? So all you have to do is to go to your channel and then bring your best video that has performed so well, and you can simply use that video right here, okay? So I have one of my video already that I've copied the link. Just copy the link to that video, right? I can just paste the video right here. So once I pasted the video I want to use, we can also add the video URL, right? So right here is asking for the URL. Just add the video URL once again, okay? So let's add it once again. So I pasted the video URL as the final URL, right? And then you can also enter the headline, all right? The headline can be the same title as the video, okay? So let me just enter the headline right here. So let me enter this headline, as you can see, how to run YouTube ads using your phone. That's the headline. You can also enter a description. So let me just enter the description right here. So we have this discover how to run YouTube ads using only your phone. I'll just paste this right here, as you can see. And then we can disable this get vertical version of your videos. I can just disable this. So the last thing to do here is to set your bidding, all right? So this is exactly how much you want to be spending to get views, all right? So this is called the CPV bidding, which is the cost per view. So I would recommend you starting with at least 5 to 10 naira to get a view, all right? But depending on your video and your niche, it might be more than that or it might be way lower than that. So let me just enter 5 naira, right? So that's my CPV, right? And once I do this, I can just tap on this create campaign, as you can see, and this campaign will be created and your campaign will be live, which is so amazing. This is very, very easy to do, as you can see. And we have our campaign live, all right? And this campaign will start running as soon as possible. So this is exactly how to use YouTube ads to grow your channel massively. And if you don't learn more about using YouTube ads to grow your business, all right, then you can simply enroll in my YouTube Starter course where I show you every single thing about using YouTube ads to get the business for your business, all right? And I will see you inside. Bye for now.